Can a single particle exist in multiple states at the same time? Sounds like a paradox, doesn't it? Welcome to the world of quantum mechanics and the fascinating concept of quantum superposition. Picture this, a cat trapped in a box with a radioactive atom that has a 50% chance of decaying and releasing a poison that would kill the cat. According to classical physics, the cat is either alive or dead. But in the realm of quantum mechanics, until someone opens the box and observes the cat, it exists in a superposition of states, both alive and dead at the same time. This is the essence of quantum superposition, encapsulated in the famous thought experiment known as Schrödinger's cat. Quantum superposition postulates that any two or more quantum states can be added together or superimposed, and the result will be another valid quantum state. This is why a particle, like an electron for instance, can exist in multiple states simultaneously. However, the moment we try to measure this particle, it collapses into one of those states. The act of observation, in essence, determines reality. A mind-boggling concept, isn't it? But what does quantum superposition mean for us, and why is it important? Well, it forms the backbone of quantum mechanics, which in turn underpins much of modern physics and technology. Without understanding superposition, we couldn't build quantum computers, which hold the promise of solving problems far beyond the reach of today's most powerful supercomputers. Quantum superposition also has profound philosophical implications. It challenges our everyday experience and understanding of reality. It tells us that the universe at its most fundamental level may be very different from what we perceive it to be. This video has taken you on a journey into the heart of quantum mechanics. We've explored the intriguing concept of quantum superposition, where particles can exist in multiple states at once until observed. We've seen how this principle underpins much of modern physics and technology, including the promising field of quantum computing. And we've considered the philosophical implications of a reality that is far removed from our everyday experiences. So next time you think about a cat in a box or an electron whizzing around an atom, remember, things are not always as they seem. Welcome to the quantum world, where particles can be in two places at once, and observation determines reality. It's a strange and fascinating place, isn't it?